New 8 inches rugged tablet with Android 13 GMS or Linux OS. Supports 4G LTE for high-speed connectivity. MT6762 Octa-Core 2 GHz processor. Iris recognition for advanced security. Fingerprint and Face ID for quick access. 3D barcode scanner for efficient data capture. Active pen with electromagnetic screen for precision import. NFC and RFID for contactless interaction. IP66, waterproof, dustproof, crashproof. Dual SIM and Pogo-Pin for versatility. Customizable hardware and software with OTA updates. Long-term support and turnkey solution.